I think one of the main things that I learned and that it got me excited about being here is that when he said own it, and it was kind of like a wake up moment when it says like, see the problems that your company is facing, own it, and that's when it clicked of the reason that I'm here is just to get that aha moment.
More about how we speak and how we present ourselves to the general public, our customers, the GCs, stuff like that, has been something that, you don't really think about what you say when you say it in the moment or how it may come out. So given the aspect of to be able to go back and just kind of think about what you're going to say and how you're going to project things, to be more positive.
Just the way Kirk is, it's definitely not your typical class. It's a lot more interactive, a lot more involved, and I guess because he's been there, he's done it, he knows how it goes, and he can get on your level.
Similar everybody as to each, like we come from different backgrounds, but at the end of the day, like I feel like we're all similar that we're trying to figure out, because sometimes you see somebody at the top and you think like they have it all figured out, but then like you get to know them and they're like, no, they're just making it happen, or they're just like jumping head first and just let's figure it out. So it surprised me that like most of us that are there, like big company, small company, like we're in the same boat. We're trying to figure out how to do things and how to do them right. I think that surprised me too. Like,
do it. You got to do it. It's worth every bit of it. You can't. I don't think you can get better information anywhere, really.
I would tell them definitely come. It is very eye-opening, and you're going to learn a lot and take a lot with you. So far, I mean, it's a lot to take in one day, but if you can take it in, it's very well worth it.